Interior subway car morning. Sound effects, trains, loud locomotive rattle. Pull back from close shot of the urban tribal ovals painted on Bubbles' face to medium shot of Bubbles bunched into a ball on the subway train's plastic vents. The train's rock and rumble rattles her bod. Bubbles is seated between a nurse and a wino. The nurse is fat and black, the wino is black and babbling. Sporting a dried-out high-top Little Richard conch, the wino is dressed in bits of discarded costuming he's discovered in the theater district's trash bins. He wears fungus-covered feathered boas, a sequin G-string, fishnet stocking, a gummy grime-covered gold lame jacket, and a pair of purple platform shoes. Believing the subway car to be the set for Arsenio Hall's television talk show, the wino preens for the TV cameras, patting the smears of aqua gel smudged on his high-top conch. He laughs, slaps his thighs, and smokes invisible cigarettes. Feathers and sequins float to the floor. I was making that big time money back in 1920. $250 a week. And do you know why? I was the original Little Rascal. Mr. Moonpie, they used to call me. Yeah, that's right. I was before Farina, Stymie, Buckwheat, any of them has-beens. And I was screwing up too. On the Bowery, Muggsy and such. I even shared Bill with old time smacker Kelton Trackler. And let me tell you, that was no blood he was banging. Me and Drac did the huge. Which is why he was such a freaky motherfucker. Drac flashed and flipped the fuck out. Now I make $50,000 a night out in Vegas with my name in neon high above the strip, Moonpie and the Motor City Mules, Smoketown kind of thing, with Mickey Mouse gloves, big white lips, and synchronized dance steps. We'd be grinning our asses off. And I runs with the Rat Pack. I'm back slapping buddies with Dino, Frank, Sammy, Jared, and his cripple cheering. I'm Mr. Entertainment himself. Why I talk Scatman Crothers everything he knows. The nurse, seated on Bubbles' right, looks at the wino and rolls her eyes in disgust. Ticks of annoyance tug at the faces of the other passengers on the subway car. The wino turns to Bubbles. You know, we ain't had pussy when I was a boy. That's right, pussy hadn't been discovered yet. You see, pussy was first discovered in 1827 in a cave down in Mississippi.